Monochromatic light of wavelength 5000 angstrom is incident on two slits separated by a distance of 5 into 10 to the minus 4. The interference pattern is seen on the screen where the screen placed at a distance of 1 meter from the slits. A thin glass plate of the thickness 1.5 into 10 to the minus 6 meter and refractive index 1.5 is placed on one of the slits. Find the intensity at the center of the screen. If the intensity there is I naught in the absence of the plate. Also find the lateral shift over here. Okay, we will find the lateral shift later. Let us first find out this value. Now whenever there is a glass plate or any transparent material placed at between one of the slits over here, the central point will shift by delta x. The delta x is given as mu minus 1 into t, which is equal to 0.5 into thickness over here. The thickness over here is given as 1.5 into 10 to the minus 6. Okay, into 10 to the minus 6, which will be equal to, if I convert it, it will be equal to 7.5 into 10 to the minus 7. This will get cancelled out later, that's why I am writing it like this. Okay, so delta x over here is equal to 7.5 into 10 to the minus 7 meter. That is, this is the part difference between O and O dash, that is the old bright fringe and the new bright fringe. Okay, so if I want to calculate the value of phi, first we have to calculate the value of phi, because the intensity over here is given as I naught cos square phi by 2, where phi is the difference or the phase difference between them. So for lambda, the phase difference over here is equal to 2 pi. So for delta x, the phase difference, let it be equal to phi. Okay, for delta x, let the phase difference over here, let it be equal to phi over here. Okay, so let us calculate the value of phi. Over here. Okay, so it will be equal to, very simply, that is phi will be equal to 2 pi into delta x. Delta x over here is equal to 7.5 into 10 to minus 7. Okay, 7.5 into 10 to minus 7 divided by, it will be equal to 7.5 into 10 to minus 7 divided by lambda. The lambda over here, that is the wavelength over here, is given as 5 into 10 to minus 4, 5 into 10 to it is 5000 angstrom, so it will be equal to 5 into 10 to minus 7. Okay, so that is the phi over here. Phi over here will be equal to, if I calculate the value, it will be equal to 15 divided by 5, which will be equal to 3 pi. Okay, 3 pi. When I substitute the value over here, it will be equal to I naught cos square. Instead of 3 pi divided by 2 will be equal to 1.5 pi. Okay, it will be equal to 1.5 pi, and cos 1.5 pi is equal to 0. So I will be equal, over here will be equal to 0. That is the intensity at the central fringe will be equal to 0. Okay, intensity at the central fringe is equal to 0. Second thing I want to calculate is the lateral shift, that is the lateral shift of the fringe. It is very simple. The lateral shift over here, okay, the lateral shift over here will be equal to delta x, okay, into capital D divided by small d. Okay, delta x into capital D divided by small d. Okay, delta x I have already got the value, that is 0.75 into, or 7.5 into 10 to minus 7. I have written it like this, so I will use the same term over here. The capital D is the distance between the source and the screen. The distance between the source and the screen is given as 1 meter, which is specified, and the small d over here, is given as 5 into 10 to minus 4. Okay, so it will be equal to into 1 divided by 5 into 10 to minus 4. Okay, so it will be equal to, the lateral shift over here will be equal to, when I divide this value, it will be equal to 1.5 into 10 to minus 3. Okay, so I can write this part as the lateral shift will be equal to 1.5 millimeter. Okay, this will be the lateral shift of the fringes.